In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stake XRP on Robinhood. And here's the straight truth up front. You can't stake XRP on Robinhood at all. In fact, real staking for XRP isn't possible anywhere. And I'll explain why and what you can consider instead so you're not wasting time hunting for a feature that doesn't exist. First, why XRP staking isn't a thing. The XRP ledger doesn't use proof of stake. Its network runs on a different consensus model, which means there's no native mechanism to lock your XRP and earn rewards from the protocol. When you hear people talk about staking XRP, they're usually referring to something entirely different, most often lending your XRP out to earn interest or participating in yield programs that are not the same as staking. Now, why you can't do it on Robinhood specifically? Robinhood only offers staking on a short list of coins that actually support it at the network level, such as ETH, SOL, and ADA. XRP isn't on that list because the network itself doesn't provide staking rewards. So even if you buy and hold XRP on Robinhood, there won't be a staking button, an earn tab for it, or any reward flow tied to XRP. Here's what you can do with XRP on Robinhood. You can buy and sell it like any other supported asset, hold it if you believe in its long-term potential, and track your performance in your portfolio. That's it. Straightforward trading and holding without a staking component. If your real goal is passive income, here are common alternatives people use for XRP. You can look at crypto lending platforms that pay interest when you deposit XRP. Some people explore DeFi liquidity pools, which can generate yield, but often come with higher complexity and risks. You could also transfer XRP to a wallet or exchange that offers a yield program specifically for XRP. It's important to be clear. These options are not true staking. They typically involve lending your assets, taking on counterparty risk, and accepting terms that can change, including variable interest rates and potential lockup periods. In DeFi, you may face smart contract vulnerabilities and market risks like impermanent loss. Always read the details carefully, understand how your yield is generated, and consider what could happen in a worst-case scenario before you commit. So to recap, XRP staking doesn't exist, which is why Robinhood doesn't offer it. You can still buy, hold, and track XRP on Robinhood, and if you want yield, you'll be looking at lending or other non-staking programs that carry their own risks.